All right, we are going to overcome this technology difficulty or technological difficulty. So recently I gave you guys an exam or a test or quiz, whatever word you want to use there. That was a Google document, and I asked you to send the document back to me so that I could grade it. But one of the things I didn't realize is that I need to be an editor on your document in order for me to leave comments and give you the feedback that's either going to show you where you went wrong, maybe what you did really well, but I need to be able to put that little comment in like this, and I can only do that if I'm an editor. So here's how you're going to make me an editor. You'll click share, and normally when we change our share settings, we go down here to change. Anyone with the link, we just copy the link. This time though, I need you to actually make me an editor. So we're going to put my name right here. You're going to make sure that this little box says editor, and you're going to send. It might be a good idea to put a little message in here, sending this, so that I can check over your document. It should send me an email if you haven't had your grade updated from the 0 that's in the grade book, because I can't edit it, to what you earned. Email me back. There's a chance that I missed the email come in and I didn't get to grade your test. Hope this helps. I will see you all virtually tomorrow. One more thing, make sure you push send. If you don't push send, I won't get it. So follow through and click send right there. All right. Again, hope this helps. Have a great day. See you tomorrow.